Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here in Koreatown at Master Ha and I'm about to try the Korean marinated crab. I have Soy with me here and we are about to have dinner together and you guys are invited. But before I get into that, I do want to do a quick mention of the coldest water bottle. They have a giveaway every single week. You can enter with the link in my description. You can also use the code TWAY for free shipping. The link will also be in my description down below. So now, let's go eat.
Water all day. I needed that.
Really?
Yeah, because you had the coldest water bottle. I didn't.
You know what you can do?
This is barley water.
You know what you can do? You can use my code TWAY for free shipping. The link is in my description box.
Oh, I'll just take this one.
No. You said that you have never tried this before.
Yes.
What are you looking forward to the most from this? Because I have no idea. I've never even tried this at all.
Well, I know I like raw seafood in general, like raw clams, raw mussels, raw oysters.
So you like it raw?
I love it raw. So I think that I'm gonna like this because like I like the seafood taste.
Okay.
But I'm hoping it's not too seafoody and there's enough marination where like you can taste the food.
Yeah, same. The thing that I'm intimidated by is the raw crab meat.
Yeah. I'm not. That's the thing I'm excited about.
Interesting.
And do you know what kind of crab it is? Is it soft shell or is it not?
No, it's not a soft shell. I don't think so.
Interesting.
And the one thing that I'm looking forward to the most is trying the egg. The egg is like, you know how the crab has the like yellow eggs?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, inside.
Yeah, inside.
Yeah.
So,
interesting.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to the most.
I don't know. I didn't really research. I just keep seeing people eat it and it looks good, so I want to try it.
Let's do a quick Google research of what exactly is marinated raw crab.
Look at these videos of people just eating it. It looks so good.
Wow. Ganjang.
Ooh, is it gonna look like this?
Yeah, it's gonna look like that.
Oh, sorry.
Are you? Salted fermented seafood in Korean cuisine, which is made by marinating fresh raw crabs either in ganjang or in a sauce based on chili pepper powder. The term consists of the two words je, meaning a crab, and jang means condiment in Korean.
Oh, it's cross generation.
Interesting. Is it safe to eat raw marinated crab? Raw crabs may contain different pathogens, including bacteria and
If something happens to us
parasites.
and this is our last mukbang, Toy would like to dedicate all her estate to me, and I would
have nothing.
Yeah, so that goes to me, and then I dedicate my estate to my little brothers. So, yeah.
Yep. The lady just came out with the banchan seaweed and gloves and a crab. What is this? A seafood cruncher.
And then also
Pepper rice.
which I like more than regular rice because there's, I think, beans in it. Black beans, red beans. But we're so good at like pretending to make thumbnails. These are not even thumbnails. I'm just like showing you stuff. Best mukbangers. Is it good?
It's good kimchi. I like my kimchi to be really fermented, so this is good, but
This is how I like my kimchi.
yeah,
Like freshly made.
mild.
Yeah, mild and like not super in the sauce.
I want mine to be sitting for like a month.
Yeah, because I like the crunch like this, like the fresh crunch. I'm all about texture and crunch.
I like
The radish. It's
no.
the radish kimchi. Oh, and then
What is this?
it's radish kimchi. You never had it?
Yeah, I don't think so. This is a jewel factor that I like. We're eating the same radish.
Oh, this is more fermented for sure.
Yeah, I love fermented foods. Yeah.
Are we supposed to eat rice now or wait?
You can wait. But the purple rice just has the little
Beans.
no. This is the outer shell of the rice.
Oh, I've been lied to my whole entire life.
So raw marinated crab. Let's do a thumbnail.
Should I hold something? Here, I'll hold this.
Holy shit. Just
I get.
love it.
Dude, they're so cool.
You guys, look at this. This looks amazing.
Wait, they added extra stuff too.
Yeah.
Like this is surf cook? Abalone.
Abalone, yeah.
Abalone. They also added salmon for us and uni. It's extra on the menu, but I think because they thought we were like so cute,
Or they see this giant camera here.
and they're like, "Yo, maybe they're important." So that's the tip. Is
Just bring a
Bring
giant camera.
So I guess you're supposed to put on the gloves. This is our first time. I don't know. I assume that they give you. Should we ask her how to eat it real quick? Or?
Yeah, let's ask her. I hate wearing gloves to eat, but since she gave us gloves, I guess we're gonna have to wear gloves. Yeah.
Let's go. I'm excited. Mmm.
Whoa.
So much flavor. So much flavor.
It's so creamy.
Mmm. So soft.
It's so creamy, is it not?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, that's like the creamiest thing I've ever tasted.
More creamy than ice cream? Yeah, it's smooth.
It's like smooth and thick.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. I'm gonna try to crack a little bit of the, because I got like a leg piece. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. You know. You need to try it with the sesame oils? Or do you?
Yeah. Oh my god. That was amazing.
You said that you should take some of the crab, right? Put it on the seaweed, right? And then put some rice,
Yeah.
and then put some sesame oil. Should I put
Okay.
some like a piece of, I'll put a little piece of uni on top?
Yeah. Do whatever.
Ooh, this is my bite right here.
Go for it. Is it good?
Mmm.
What do you think?
Mmm. The uni definitely adds a different
Yeah?
element to it.
Okay.
Wow, it's really flavorful.
I can't get over the texture of it.
It's so soft.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, so here you go. Those are my raw crab pieces. Uni. Little uni.
Ooh, there's even raw shrimp. Mm.
Taste it.
Put a little bit. Can you eat the head of the raw shrimp or no?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, he's gonna show us how to make one.
Yes, with rice.
Wow, the expert.
Can that be for me?
Yeah, here. Wow.
Yes, thank you.
Wow. That's the perfect bite. That's how you should eat. Yeah, that's the expert. Mine was not good.
This is it right
Okay,
here.
I'm sorry guys. Disappointment. Unfollow me now. Oh, the raw shrimp is really good too. Mmm. Mmm. Let me take a bite.
You have to put this thing, the red one, that's what makes it tasty.
Makes sense.
Otherwise, it's blasé,
Yeah. Blasé. So that's how you do it. That's the right way. A little bit of everything. Rice. A little bit of uni. Is it good? You love it.
I'm like in my own little world.
A little bit of salmon. And then she says that you have to add the little radishes.
Yum.
Try my best, you know?
Go soy. With the radishes, it's so good.
Mmm. Even better with the radish. Oh, my turn to eat one.
Ooh, the crab.
Okay, we can share this one. Ooh. Wow. Wow, thank you, thank you. My mom says I'm special too. 감사합니다.
Cảm ơn.
Wow, he mixed it up together for us.
Thank
Oh, he's gonna do 2 of them for us.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, wow.
So special. Wow.
Wow.
You could mix it
Wow.
and
Do we have to pay for this extra service?
Extra, extra, extra.
Yeah,
It's like fried. It's like a crab fried rice without the frying. Just the crab rice.
yeah, just a raw marinated crab.
Seaweed, seaweed, seaweed. Put it on the seaweed. Aw. Everyone teach us how to eat it because we look like we don't know anything.
We're amateurs.
It's true. It's our first time here.
I'm gonna make my I'm gonna try to recreate what
What he
he
did?
just did.
Wow.
So what he did, he took the shell and then this is the egg of it. Okay. He put a little rice on here. There you go.
Wow, they really like grocery machine.
Okay. Put a little bit of this. Can you squeeze some raw crab onto
Oh
mine?
yeah.
Let's do it.
And you grab it already? You already did one. Ooh.
Yes.
It just came out.
Yes.
Okay.
That's amazing. Grab some radish. Put some radish on here. What else?
You can put a little bit of everything. Everything mixed together.
Stop, don't get copyrighted.
That's not my fault, they're already playing it.
This is a bite right here.
Oh.
You guys, look at this bite.
So I need to like, the owner literally made this for us. Amazing.
Wow.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So they left and said good luck. Oh my god, this is an amazing meal.
Very well marinated, very good.
So good. Wow. Wow. What? How long has this place been here? This is amazing.
I know, right? I really like it. And the experience was so good. We were noobs and he helped us.
Right.
Great service, great atmosphere. We sound like we were paid to come here, but nope. Wow, that's dope. Actually, everyone was really friendly.
Super.
Like even the people sitting next to us, were like, you should eat this. And we're like, nice.
It was like experiencing another culture in here. It really truly was.
And they were so cool about it. They were like super open about us trying it. I love that.
Yeah, they didn't make fun of us
Unity
for
and-
being noobs.
Yeah.
Notice how I just took off. Oh, you took off yours too.
What?
Your gloves. I hate eating with gloves. It just gets in the way.
I understand why you would though. We have to squeeze stuff. Mmm.
What's that one? Oh.
I just put it in my mouth and all the crap squirted out.
And you can play with the flavors with every bite because of the little.
You can make it your own too, you know?
Right.
Like you can put more sesame oil, more radish, less radish. I like it. Let's fun. It's like build your own wrap with just raw seafood. Raw seafood. Did you try raw shrimp yet?
No, I haven't.
You have to.
Is it? Is it good?
Yeah. Ooh, you'll love it. It's really good. I dare to say that I might like the raw shrimp more than the local crab. I know.
Did you eat the head?
Actually, recently, I used to love crab, but recently I found out that I'm not as big of a fan as I am of crab anymore. I think I like lobster more.
This is raw shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the head.
Ooh.
Eat
All the good
head.
stuff's in there.
Mmm. Oh my gosh, wow.
Mmm. You want me to try the abalone? Mmm. Mmm. Very good. Very delicious.
Wow. I don't know how to yell.
I like a lot of this because it doesn't taste fishy.
Yeah, that's what I noticed too.
Yeah.
Like it just tastes fresh.
Yeah.
There's no smell to it.
Yeah.
But there's also flavor.
Yeah, a lot of flavor.
In this egg.
A lot of flavor. So like, it makes you like, when it hits your mouth, you're just like, whoa, like an explosion of flavor, right? Which I didn't expect.
So rich.
Yeah. Because I think like if you just eat raw crab, maybe not marinated, it is pretty bland.
Of course.
Yeah. Actually, all the seafood, right?
Yeah.
But like the fact that it absorbs so much flavor and it tastes fresh really
Amazing.
blows my mind. Because usually if you marinate too long, it gets that like kind of like fermented like
Yeah.
taste. No, this tastes like the fresh seafood that was just freshly caught and just has so much flavor at the same time. Very impressed.
Very, very impressed.
Ooh, I'm full.
You're full?
Not right. Yeah, I'm full.
What are we supposed to do? Take this home?
Yeah, pick it up.
Oh, bring it to my.
Oh yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll love that. Wow, so kind.
Yeah.
Wow, do you see that? Wow.
What?
Bring it to mine.
Yeah, she's
Bring
my
it to
girlfriend.
mine. Bring it to mine.
I have to be nice to your girlfriend.
Ew. Disgusting.
Wow, how was your experience here?
You know, it's not about the experience, it's the company, and of course, the coldest water bottle made out of Just kidding. I would have to say this is a lot better than what I had in mind.
Yeah.
We didn't really have to wait, and the service was spectacular. The owner came out and helped us how to eat it.
I know, like everyone here was super duper sweet.
Yeah. I think even without the camera, they were pretty attentive to everyone in the restaurant,
Yeah.
helping, getting stuff really quick. Very clean restaurant, everything's great, and I love the food, so I think for me it's a 10 out of 10 experience.
So from this platter, which one was your favorite?
The shrimp.
The shrimp.
I was so surprised that I liked the shrimp so
Damn,
much.
I like the crab, the body crab.
Oh, with the rice inside of
Yeah,
it, right?
the little crab mixture
Right.
with the egg and the rice and all of that.
Yeah,
Like it
it's-
was just like a really good and rich bite
Right.
with all of the flavors just combined together.
Yeah. So
It's fantastic.
that's the thesis. If you want to
Yeah.
experience this, you should definitely go to Koreatown.
Master Ha in Koreatown. Get yourself some marinated raw crab. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys can find more of Soy on
The internet.
I'll leave all of her description in.
Oh, my description. You know, tall, beautiful, blue hair,
average.
adorable, kind, sweet.
I'll put all of her links in my description box. You guys can find more of me on Instagram and Twitter at Twaydabae. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.